This trendy looking little box cutter is called a Gerber Transit. It's very lightweight. Model number 30-000425. Takes a typical utility blade that's interchangeable and actually comes with a pack of spare blades. The knife is held in place with a liner lock and carried with this pocket clip. Got a bright orange color on it so you can find it easily. It's very useful to have a knife whenever you're using it for utility purposes that can be easily found due to its color. This is the Gerber Transit, model number 30-000425.